Wow!
Aha!
Always being nice to your friends. You don't have to be mean. You can share and play. Sometimes words can hurt and make your friend unhappy.
Yo! Aww.
Nom nom nom. Nom nom nom. Nom nom. Yum yum. Nom nom nom. Nom nom nom. Nom nom. Here I come.
Uh-huh.
Yum yum.
Wow!
So juicy, so crunchy,
Whoa!
yum, yum, so tasty. I'm going to fly in the sky with my pet by my side. Your fluffy friend needs a carrier to be safe for the flight. Oh no no, oh no no, Kitty is running away. Fluffy friend, I love you in your carrier. Oh no, someone ruined my cake. I feel so angry, Someone ate my cake. Oopsie, oopsie, I know this feeling, I will take it away. Sharing is caring, helping a friend feels so great. Here you are, my little friend. When everyone is happy, we can have a real good day. Here you are, my little friend. When everyone is happy, we can have a real good day. Always be nice to your friends. Don't be naughty. Listen to what they say. What's that? What's that? What's that sound? It's scary, creepy, and so loud. What's that? What's that? What's that sound? Hurry up and help me out. It's a ghost.
Wow!
I think it's coming from over there. Or maybe it's coming from up here.
Hey!
Oh,
2,
wow!
3,